chickens? Cobra chickens? Cobra chickens?
I don't know how to proceed.
Shit. Barf.
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 Barf. This is where the washburn my brother lives.
Fui fui. All this pretty furniture, right?
And then there's me.
A troll. Some people sniff crack. I sniff candles. That is a huge fan. That is a huge fan. Oh, Daddy. We are at the mall. Oh, I'm not wearing a mask.
Okay, you're feeling violated? Run away like a little bitch.
A few trolls going down the mall. And I hope they fall off the railing. Oh, and by the way, for the backstory why I was recording those guys, the one that I said that I hope they fall off the rail, they decided to randomly run into quorum.
Check out my video too.
And then they made a weird noise. Then quorum went into the bathroom. They were waiting for us. They came out, made quorum uncomfortable by staring at them so much, and started recording him. So when he pulled out his camera, it was just one big recording orgy.
And check out his video. I'm sure you'll link it, right?
Yes. Link to his channel in description. Krusty Krab pizza, me hoi manoi, weenie ha juniors. Giant butt flies. Then there's a goat. New addition to the family. Borbies. Birds. Bill Nye, the science guy. Bill.
So, did you hear about when this guy wound up getting caught jerking off in a XXX rated movie theater? Dude was actually cut by the ushers.
Arcade? I'm Batman. Why so serious?
I don't like it.
Please don't be loud. Please don't be loud. Please don't be
It's
loud.
not gonna be loud. Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'll say you guys should mind your own business. You got old people to push over and make bleed out of their ears. Can't mess with me, I'm white.
I hate it. Never
I
again.
like it.
Here.
Popcorn.
I don't need that.
Play Mario Party, yay! So,
Hey.
tits.
So tits.
Yeah, buddy! Oh, hell fuck yeah. Nightmare Before Christmas. Well, today is a bit of a shorter vlog, or this vlog is a bit of a shorter vlog. So, I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, hit my bell notifications, and I will see you guys next time.